हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम फिर से प्रेजेंट है एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ जो कि हम बना रहे हैं टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशन पे। तो ये 5 टाइप के वेजिटेशन रहते हैं। फर्स्ट है ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट एंड स्कर्ब्स, माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट एंड मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट। फर्स्ट वी टेक द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. Tropical rainforest. Their areas are restricted to heavy rainfall. In this tropical rainforest, they are having dense rainfall in this area, and areas covered like where this rainfall is tropical rainforest is present, like Western Ghats, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. And in this forest, the rainfall is more than 200 centimeter, and the trees to reach the height of 60 meter, means the trees having the height of the 60 meter. A variety of types of trees is present in this forest. No definite time for trees to shed their leaves, means they having no time to no fixed time to shed their leaves. And vegetation found like ebony, rosewood, rubber, mahogany, etc., means all antibacterial plants is present in this forest. And also animals found like elephants, monkey, lemur and deer, one horned rhinoceros, birds, bats, sloth, scorpions and snails. Okay, this is the very good notes for all of you childrens, because this is the 5 marks points and very nice notes I have got, so I share to you. Tropical deciduous forest, they are also known as monsoon forest. These tropical deciduous forests are also called as monsoon forest. Receive rainfall between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. This tropical deciduous forest rainfall between the 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter, and they having the fixed time to shed their leaves like 6 to 8 weeks in a dry summer. Next, these tropical deciduous forests are divided into two types, that is the moist and the dry deciduous forest. Moist deciduous forest receive rainfall between 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter. Okay, in this moist deciduous forest, the receive rainfall between the 100 to 200 centimeter, and the areas covered like Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Western Ghats, etc. And also found the vegetation, very good vegetation like teak, bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, kusum, arjun and mulberry, etc. and etc. Next, we have to talk about the dry deciduous forest. Receive rainfall between 70 centimeter to 100 centimeter. In this dry deciduous forest, the rainfall between the 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter, and areas covered like peninsular plateau, plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Next, vegetation found like teak, sal, people, neem, etc. And the also found the animals. Variety types of animals are found like lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes and tortoise, etc. and etc. most of them. Next, we have to go about the tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Receive less than 70 centimeter rainfall. Means in this forest, the rainfall is below the 100 centimeter. Okay, means 70 centimeter. It consists thorny bushes and scrubs. In this forest, the thorny bushes and the scrubs are present. You can see in this picture how the plants and animals are. Trees have deep roots in order to the moisture. Okay, trees have the deep roots in the soil, and it's having the order to minimize the moisture. Okay, minimize the moisture. Okay, leaves are thick and small for minimum evaporation. Leaves are too thick and the small for minimum evaporation, means minimize the evaporation. Okay, areas covered like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and the Haryana. And also vegetation found like acacias, palms, euphorbias and cacti, etc, etc. And also animals found like rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses and camels. Next forest we have to go on the montane forest. In this forest, the highest rainfall in this forest, like these forests are found between 1000 meter to 2000 meter, means this height, these forests are found between the 1000 meter to 2000 meter. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujars and the Bakarwals, etc. Means in this forest, all the nomadic tribes are used for grazing the to graze the animals, and the areas covered like tropical to the tundra region, vegetation found like oaks, chestnuts predominate, and the pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce, cedar, silver fir, junipers, pines, mosses, lichens and birches, etc. Many of them variety of vegetation are found like them. Animals found like Kashmir, stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack rabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopards, squirrels, shaggy horn, white ibex, bear and rare red panda. Okay, next forest we have to go, that is the mangrove forest. Very very interesting forest this is. They are found on a coast and is influenced by the tides. Yes, in this mangrove forest, it is found on mainly the coast region and influenced by the tides, and their roots of plants is submerged under the water, and like they bend in the water. Okay, areas covered like the deltas of the Ganga. I have repeat this time, that is the it is found on the coast, means areas covered like the deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri, many of them. Vegetation found like Sundari trees, hard timber, palm, coconut, Kiora, agar, etc. Animals found like Royal Bengal tiger, turtles, crocodiles, and snakes, many of them. Okay, next, that is the medicinal plants. It is the two important for us. That is we know about the medicinal plants because it is came from 1 marks and the 5 marks also. Uh, list the medicinal plants, so we have to complete explanation in these notes, so please go on this. First, India is known for its herbs and species. From ancient times, some 2000 plants have been described in Ayurveda, and at least 500 are in regular use. The World Conservation Union's Red List has named 352 medicinal plants, of which 52 are critically threatened and 49 endangered. The commonly used plants in India are, that is the Sarpagandha, yani used to treat blood pressure. Okay, which having the disease of blood pressure, low blood pressure and high blood pressure, they used to this medicinal like Sarpagandha. Okay, and it is found only in India, not any foreign countries. Okay, next, that is the jamun, and it is also the fruit. The juice from ripe fruit is used to prepare vinegar, which is carminative and diuretic and has a digestive properties. The powder of the seed is used for controlling diabetes. Okay, this jamun's juice is used for the controlling of diabetes, which having the which person having the disease of diabetes, they drink the juice of ripe fruit, that is jamun. Next, having the arjun, the fresh juice of leaves is a cure for earache. Means the person having the ache in his ear and no hearing power and lost their hearing power, he and she can use arjun juice, fresh juice of leaves, arjun leaves, for cure for earache. And it is also used for regulate blood pressure, and yes, it is used also for treat blood pressure. Next, having the babool, which is used in our daily life for toothbrush, for our teeth, that is leaves are used as a cure for eye sores, and its gum is used as a tonic, है ना. We can, and it is used for eye means which having the ache in the eye, you he and she can use the babool leaves, and he can use the mixture of this, and its gum is used as tonic. Okay. Okay, next, having the neem, which having the high antibiotic and the antibacterial properties, which cure all the things, stomach ache, headache, everything. And next, having the tulsi plant, we can also pray her, and is used to cure cough and cold. Okay, tulsi plant is used for cure of cough and cold. Kanchnar, uh, okay, kachnar, it is used to cure asthma and the ulcer. Okay, and kachnar is the used for asthma and the ulcer. Okay. Next, having the wildlife. Now we stop this video at now. We can meet at next video, and in this we have to know about the wildlife, how the wildlife reserves, how government made the many types of policy for this wildlife. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.